on the 24th of June, there was a set of earthquakes which hit northern Venezuela. Within a minute, a 7.1 was followed by a 7.5, making it the largest earthquake that has hit in over a century. That 1 minute changed everything for millions of people who are now in need of direct humanitarian assistance. So our team moved fast. We are here in under 48 hours. Right now we're in Bogota, and while we wait for our permissions to enter into Venezuela, we are performing a remote needs assessment to see how we can best respond and help the people who are going through this crisis. We really hope that you will come along with us on this journey. Go to givedirectly.org to help the people of northern Venezuela as they put their lives together after these earthquakes.